my top 3 income tax apps. What's good, wealth builders? It's your boy Devon back again with another video, and today we're talking about my top 3 income tax apps, cause it's tax time.
Now tuned into the greatest.
Okay, before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We talk about making more money, saving more money, and building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get into the top 3 income tax apps. Cause you know what? It's tax time. All right, man. All right. So we're gonna talk about number 1. Number 1 is TurboTax return app. Okay, if you never heard of TurboTax, I don't know if you've been living under a rock. Maybe you just never did your taxes before. Maybe it's the first time you ever did your taxes, okay? But TurboTax is one of the top tools to use when doing your tax return, okay? So it's only right to be number 1. So the thing I love about TurboTax is the fact that it's super easy and efficient, okay? You literally take a photo of your W-2, answer some questions about yourself, and e-file securely from your iPhone or iPad, okay? It's usually free, especially if you're not itemizing your taxes, okay? And if you don't know what itemizing is, you're pretty much, placing every little thing you do or have done in the past year on your tax return, okay? So definitely check your tax professional for more information about what itemizing is. All right, and they also have tax coaches, so you can actually ask the tax coaches on TurboTax to help you move along if you happen to get stuck or if you want to figure out what itemizing is, all right? And the TurboTax app also includes access to real CPAs and EAs to review your return live from the app. Okay, so that's like one of the best features right there. All right, so the next one is number 2, MileageIQ app. If you've never seen the commercials on YouTube or whatever, MileageIQ is one of those apps that are essential if you're a salesperson or someone that does a lot of driving or traveling for work, okay? MileageIQ app will automatically track and record your mileage in the background as you drive your car for business, all right? This will help you follow IRS mileage standards, okay? Because you don't want to be guessing or trying to throw some finagle number on your IRS tax forms, okay? Never, all right? This app can be custom fit to your needs, and it's not your everyday cookie cutter type, tracker, okay? It's very specific to what you do and how you get it done, all right? So that's the MileageIQ app. Now, the next one is number 3, QuickBooks Self-Employed app. This is a favorite of mine because it combines a lot of functions of other income tax apps, so you can actually use QuickBooks for almost everything, okay? QuickBooks Self-Employed app has a receipt scanner that enters transactions information and easily stores receipts. Your business expenses are automatically matched and categorized. This saves time and maximizes the tax refunds you get at the end of the year. You know what I'm saying? So that you are ready for IRS tax time. Okay? And another great thing about QuickBooks app is that you can create invoices and send invoices easily on the go. Okay, so say like if you did something for someone at the location and you forgot to send them an invoice, hey, maybe on the way home, boop, boop, bang, bang, boom, bang, boom, you send them an invoice. Pop, done, okay? So you have a little accountant in your pocket, basically. So these 3 apps are the best income tax apps in my opinion, all right? But I want to talk about something else, all right? I want you to understand that if you do your taxes right all year round, you can actually increase your tax refund, especially as a self-employed business owner, okay? And if you want to learn more about that, you can go ahead and click the link below called the Wealth Builder System, where we teach you how to do that. Plus, teach you how to teach other people to do that. That's so you can make a residual income doing that. And it could be a home-based business for you or another add-on to your home-based business if you already got one. You know what I'm saying? So there you go, man. So check out the link below and get involved with that. So do remember, Wealth Builders, I want to thank you for watching. All right? And also, make more, save more, build more. It's the Wealth Builders, baby.